Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I was working on a BMW engine. It's B47, the new engine. So the engine was shaking and turn on, turn off, and has misfiring, and engine no good, like shaking a lot. So I took off the engine because there's some water in the oil too. So I took off the engine. I opened the cylinder head. The timing is alright, everything. I opened cylinder head, see what I found. The cylinder head is damaged, and there's another thing. See the piston around the piston? It's big damage too. Don't forget, if you like to watch my videos, please push that like button. Thank you very much, and subscribe to my channel.